This is a short descriptive video of a Copal flip alarm clock, the model 702 with an aluminium housing, basically like the model 601. The difference being that this one has an alarm, plus this one is in one piece. That is, the faceplate is part of the housing. With the 601, that's a separate, very thin sheet plate of aluminium, I guess, which you can remove. With this clock you can't remove it because it's one solid piece. It's the housing, the glass plate, the two side plates, one small plate on the back, I think they call it a grommet, to which the cable is fed through, and then on the side you have, of course, the two wheels to adjust the time. On the back there's a switch to turn the alarm on and off. Like if you just want to use it as a clock, you don't want to accidentally set off the alarm, that's fine. And on the top is the button to just turn off the alarm. When you set it, it goes, you can turn it off. So the housing is in really good condition. It's a bit of a brownish kind of color. You can see the seconds moving here, like the same idea. The wheel that the model 601 and the 602 have, is there are no numbers on that wheel. The wheel is a lot smaller. This one has the seconds on it. That's a nice feature. So yeah, here you can set the alarm, and let me just sound the alarm. That's it. It's actually kind of decent, not too loud. Maybe that's because of the enclosure in which it sits, because the alarm itself is essentially the same alarm as in a lot of other Copal clocks here. It's just much noisier. This one has glass and aluminium. Maybe that's what causes it to be slightly more quiet. This clock does have an extra light for the alarm, so when the alarm is switched on, there's a light there. So you can see that it's switched on, and you can actually see at what time it's set to go off. This clock was restored, of course, by me. New light, new resistor, motor was lubricated, new cable, new plug, fully cleaned on the inside. You wouldn't believe how dusty it is. That's because of the design of this clock. There's a large gaping hole underneath there. It's supposed to be there, which is probably nicer or was cheaper to make, I don't know. It attracts so much dust. It's been completely dusted out. It's clean as a whistle on the inside. Perfect working condition. For sale on my Etsy shop. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.